There is a solution for removing oil. It's non-hazardous, totally inert, it absorbs oil better than any other substance, and is immediately available in large quantities. The hero of our story is MPU, micronized polyurethane powder. This water has the same salinity as the ocean. The oil is raw sweet crude, the same kind of oil spilling into the Gulf. MPU traps the oil molecules like a magnet and stops the oil from emulsifying. All the oil is now absorbed. The rocking motion in this tank simulates wave action. In this demonstration, it took about 2 minutes and less than 4 pounds of the MPU powder to absorb 2 gallons of sweet crude oil. MPU forms a cake that floats indefinitely until it's collected and removed by skimmers. Dispersants just break up the surface oil so it's no longer visible, but it's still there, broken into millions of tiny droplets and now impossible to collect. Unlike dispersants, MPU actually removes the crude oil from the water, and it's an EPA-certified oil sorbent product. MPU allows oil to be removed from the water, is EPA-certified, and is proven more effective than other solutions. A shrimp fishing net is put in place in a large basin filled with salt water. 10 gallons of crude oil is put into the basin. 25 pounds of MPU is then added, and in a matter of minutes, the MPU absorbs the oil and forms a cake. Watch as the net is pulled up from the tank.
As you can see, the water that's coming from the fish net filled with the MPU oil cake is clear. There's no leaching.
The oil can also be recovered from the MPU, and the used MPU can be reused again and again. MPU, micronized polyurethane powder, is a multifaceted product that has even more applications than just absorbing crude oil on open water. Recovering oil from the saturated MPU is yet another unique quality of using MPU in the cleanup process. A hydraulic press is used to press out the oil from the MPU cake. Upwards of 85% of the oil is recovered, which can then be refined. The resulting MPU powder is nearly as sorbent as when it was first used and can be reused several times. Okay, I'm going to show you something that would be the solution to what's going on with that oil slick in the Gulf. Dean from Mobius, he is the CEO, is going to pour some sweet crude oil on my hands. I'm going to cover my hands with it, much like the waterfowl and wildlife down in the Gulf right now is covered with this. This is MPU. It is a polyurethane powder that literally absorbs the crude. It's a completely green, non-toxic powder. It would not hurt the wildlife or waterfowl or the workers who are trying to clean all of the mess down there from the wildlife. And as you can see, it takes a very short amount of time to do this. Something that they're probably spending 30 minutes on cleaning one bird, you can literally do in less than 3 minutes. Now you can see, I could spend more time in there, but I don't need to. I'm going to take this, shake it off my hands a little bit, and you can already see the huge difference in my hands. All right, now I'm going to take it and wash it off. And it's all coming right off. Remember, this is environmentally friendly to man and animal alike.